And look at the, oh my god. It's so big.
It sounds so just like strong. The baby's just going.
Yeah.
It's gotta be like 60 feet up in the tree now.
Yeah.
We have a stick.
Oh, holy crap. It's just sending it right up that tree. Holy. We just saw.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah, we just saw a black bear on the trail. Oh, it's baby's climbing up the tree right there.
Oh, that was the mom. You could tell it was something big in the bushes.
Yeah, I thought it was a hiker.
Damn, look at him go.
If it comes, punch it, sock it in the head.
Right in the nose.
Nice. See it, baby? The baby bear climbing up the tree way over there.
The mom just saw us in peace.
Yeah, the baby's still there, though. That's the thing. And just the time I didn't bring my zoom lens.
Yeah.
Holy.
You know, that freaked me out seeing that head pop up.
Yeah, man.
That's definitely the closest I've been to a bear in like just my body, not in a car or something. Dude, that's so big to be climbing a tree. The cub's like 40 feet up there.
Holy crap, look at that bear. Wow, it's so scared of us. It's crazy.
I think it's also like mad.
Yeah. So, should we turn around or should we try and go up and around? It'd be a funny video, like failed hike. Bear stopped us.
I don't want to get mauled, you know?
No, I mean, whatever we do, we should get out. Like, either we should go up there or down here. Wow, look at the cub all the way up there.
Jesus.
Jeez, how is it gonna get down? And look at the, oh my god, it's so big.
It sounds so just like strong.
Yeah.
I think we have a stick.
Oh, holy crap, it's just sending it right up that tree.
That's terrifying sounding.
Yeah, that's an awful sound. Holy.
Just imagine that thing running at you making sounds like that.
Yeah, it'd be awful.
Listen to it breathe.
Okay,
It's huge. Oh, Jesus.
should we go and see what's up there, you think, or should we not even?
I don't know, we can take a look like right here. Sounds like the villagers in Minecraft.
Yeah.
The baby's just going.
Yeah.
It's gotta be like 60 feet up in the tree now.
Yeah, it must be at least 60 feet. Holy.
It's It's going around the tree. It's stuck. I think it's stuck on the top side of him. I have to wait to get down the mountain.
Yeah. I don't know, we could just send it back, I don't really mind. You can see Buddy Bear up in the tree.
Does that thing have any sort of zoom?
Not great, but...
That'd be such a good picture right now.
Yeah, it would. Holy. Can't believe I didn't bring my zoom lens for my camera, because out of all the times I choose to leave it in the car, this is the one time I shouldn't have. I bring my zoom lens on literally every hike. I normally leave my wide angle in the car, but this time I left my zoom lens in the car, brought my wide angle, didn't even get the shot, and the friggin' bear turned our hike around. Thought it was unsafe to keep going on the trail because there's a big old black bear and her family. The family climbed up a tree right beside the trail. We could hear the mom grunting, even hissing at us, trying to make us go away. You could tell the family of bears was really scared, and a scared bear is probably not a very safe bear, so we decided to send it back down the mountain. Didn't reach the summit today, but we'll get there another day. Just walking down the mountain now, so I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video.